Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a tiny dragon named Pufflet. Unlike other dragons who breathed fire, Pufflet had a magical quirk. When he sneezed, out came a shower of glitter. One sunny morning, Pufflet felt a big sneeze coming on. Achoo! He sneezed so hard, glitter covered the entire dragon village. Dragons were slipping, sliding, and sparkling everywhere. What a sight to see. Just when everyone thought it couldn't get any more magical, Pufflet sneezed again. Achoo! This time, his sneeze shot a glittery rainbow into the sky. The other dragons gasped in awe. They had never seen anything so beautiful. Pufflet, you're amazing, they cheered, their scales shimmering with glitter. From that day on, Pufflet became the village's glitter guardian. Whenever there was a festival or a celebration, Pufflet's glittery sneezes lit up the sky. No one ever needed fireworks again. And so, in the glittering dragon village, everyone lived happily ever after, with Pufflet sneezing glitter and spreading joy.